HTFL stock analysis and price predictions for Monday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this brief and short 1-minute video till the end, find out. I'm the only guy in this space with a track record of 45,000 videos and 5 years of experience, all documented, so I've seen what's working for me and what's not. And how things are currently looking like with HTFL for me is that we don't have a lot of data. We don't have a lot of candles, but even with the candles that I do have, seems like it really wants to pump up, right? And it's not going to be a buy for me unless rules are met. And what I'm seeing here is a big gap down, but if I see like a 1 minute or 5 minute confirmation, then and only then I will take things up. And like, to be very realistic with you, most probably I'm not even going to trade this because there's far better setups that are out there still, you know, showing me the rules compared to HTFL. So I would better stick to those and keep an eye on this, but still waiting, you know, it's not yet giving me the rules. And if you want to stay tuned and get free money making emails and insights, then just click the first link in the description and I will continue to keep you updated. Goodbye and enjoy.